Hey guys, DN Fishing here. Today we'll be fishing at Nico's house again. If you want to go fish at my house, if you want to see us fish at my house,
let's get 20 likes.
Let's get 20 likes on this video and we'll go to my canal.
And look at where we're going through right now.
Right now we're going through this mess.
Oh, it's so wet that it's getting into my boots.
Oh, it's getting into my boots too. Oh God, a little.
Do you want to try to
These are supposed to be waterproof. What the heck?
They're not extremely waterproof.
Oh God, look, I'm getting.
Look, it's like a complete lake. Let's try to fish here.
So yeah, guys, this is what we're going through. Today, we're just gonna try to catch anything. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video.
Okay guys, so we're having a bit of technical difficulties, but Diego is going over and getting us a pair of rubber boots so we don't get wet, and then we'll put on our boots. Back once we get over there, and yeah, this right here is like about, I say, shin deep, or maybe a little bit bigger. It's real deep, up on this fence. We tried to go over to my neighbor's house. He's super nice. He always lets me go over, so it's always fine. Look at that. See the horse? Oh, yeah. Diego, come back quick. Oh, God.
So guys, right now, these boots, my boots are supposed to be waterproof, and his too, but they're not, so we have to jump over
They're pretty waterproof.
all these humongous puddles.
So we couldn't go through this one. That's way too deep. It's like shin deep, so.
Yeah, so here we go. He's gonna jump that puddle. There you go, that sucked, but cool.
I know, but
So here,
I didn't land in the big part.
here, please don't drop the camera in the water.
Okay.
If you drop it, it'll kill.
Oh. Okay, guys. Diego's jumping. Bye, Diego. Oh, nice. Okay.
Alright, so we're going to the canal through the barn yard.
This is another problem.
No, but we can go through here. So yeah, this is tough getting through all this. Here it is. Alright, the canal's right there, guys. I don't know if you can see it. You probably could. We're gonna get over this fence.
Try.
No. Look, here where the tubes are. Let's come over here. Or get your rod. So yeah, today's much harder than expected. Hope you guys enjoy this rainy adventure today. Guys, we're about to climb over. We're about to climb over the fence. This really wobbly fence.
It's very wobbly. I just got over.
So here's the camera.
Can you do it with a backpack? Okay, there goes Diego. Yeah, nice. Grab onto that. Okay, ready? Go. Tarzan.
Oh,
That was really wet.
yeah. So
Okay,
here,
guys, here's
we're back in this place. Remember right there, right around there, the fish were eating a lot of bait yesterday. So yeah, cool. Guys, right now Nico took his first cast. It's right there. It looks good. I like when the water's stale like that. I like it. Some people don't. But I like it. I think you can see your bait better and all the movements the fish make. So yeah, hopefully we catch something today. So hey guys, I'm taking my first cast here with my rod. Today we're using my rod and his.
They're both Shakespeare's. If you want to learn more of the gear.
No, this is actually an R2F. And this reel is an old reel, but it's very good. I like it. It's called Extreme. It's from Bass Pro Shops.
And Diego has a bunch of other rods. He even has spinner. He even has what do you call
Bait
those?
cast.
Bait casters. And
Alright, so in the video, we'll edit.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna be heading into the more and deep into the forest. I'm gonna get a stick just in case for any snakes, because I know what to do with them. Oh yeah, here's Diego. He's gonna call me if something happens. Let's go through this dense forest here. Oh, that's a lizard. Wow. Look where I'm at. Okay, let's try to get through this bit. Diego, here's not a bad place too. If we can clear out that bit there, we can fish back here too. Look, over here it's super nice. Okay. Gonna get through here. Got it. Oh. Diego! Diego, you have to come here. Diego, there's 2 peacock bass. They're like 5 or 6 pounds. Both of them. Guys, huge peacock bass right here. Bring it more in. That was crazy. Look at where I'm in. It's really nice here. Wow. Look at the turtle. So cute. Look at him. He's trying to get the bait.
Come on, Nico, we need to catch something.
I know. Let's catch a turtle. That's one of them fisherman's nightmare. Catching a turtle. Worst thing you can get.
Nah, getting hooked in the mouth or the nail is the
Yeah, but
worst.
what about catching an alligator?
I've done that, actually.
Is it easier than getting it out of the mouth of a turtle?
Catching an alligator is easier than getting the hook out of a turtle.
Really?
If
With
you...
all that sharp teeth?
Oh, no, not getting the hook out of the actual alligator, but catching an alligator is easier than getting the hook out of a turtle.
Especially at your canal.
If you live in a place infested with alligators like here in Florida. We live, and especially when you live right next to the Everglades. Fish right there. Cast
I
it.
think they're feeding. It's in the water.
I know, but cast it closer to it. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, cast over there, buddy. Go, 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 go. Right there, right there. Let it drop a little. Not real.
Oh no, the turtle. The tortuga. Too late.
So yeah. Another fish jumps right there. Man, this sucks. All the fish are mocking us right now.
Man, that turtle's fast.
So yeah, guys, remember 25 likes on our last video to come kayaking here. 30
No,
likes
25 likes on this video.
on this. All right, fine.
No, to go kayaking either here or Diego's house, wherever we plan to do it.
If you and if you wanna go see my canal, comment below.
And we'll get to 15 likes.
Yeah.
Diego's. Say 187th cast and we haven't caught anything. Right, Diego?
Yeah. Yeah, it's amazing.
Actually, I think I might have exaggerated there. Right, Diego?
Yeah, maybe.
We'll say 200.
Yeah, definitely 200. So guys, like we said, 25 likes to go kayaking here or at my canal. If you want to see it at my canal, comment below. 50 likes to go fishing at a huge canal next to Griffin Road in Florida. And 100 likes to get the Logitech
G29 steering wheel.
Hey, and we can also do this. If we get 150 likes, we'll go fishing at the Everglades.
The Everglades?
Yeah.
120.
Fine. 120 likes, we'll go fishing at the
Hey,
Everglades.
but what did you say last time? I didn't hear you, but I already said. Can you
Shut that up!
What did you say last time to go fishing at the Everglades?
150 likes to go fishing, but we'll give you a special offer for 120 likes. We'll go fishing at the Everglades.
Man, that's a big accomplishment, man.
Yeah. So guys, if you want to see that, then like this video.
Yep. If you like, right? And if you want to do it, right, Diego?
Yeah, sure, but you better do it. So
Okay, guys, we're gonna be
right
going
now
back
we're
to
gonna stop talking, bro. Right now we're gonna go to the original fishing site, and we're gonna see how it is right there. I've seen a lot of fish jump there. I want to go see how it is. That's where I saw it, like the 35-pound grass carp yesterday. So yeah.
This is really annoying to get through. Ugh.
So here it is. As you can see, like it
Yeah.
rains a lot, and the canal level is
Yeah, the
higher.
canal level really is.
Look at that. All this
Look at
grass
this.
is like over the water.
The grass is like half under the water and half above
Look.
the water.
Like fish right there. Hey,
See,
guys,
there's a fish.
guys, let's be quiet.
Okay, let's be quiet. Okay, let's be quiet.
I feel like I'm gonna catch something.
Hey, don't get your hopes too high.
I know, but I have to catch something today.
You caught a tree, Diego.
Blooper. No, just, oh look, fish right there. There's actually a fish right there.
Fish. Diego's about to get something. I know it. Nice cast.
Come on.
Oh my god, Diego.
The fish was right there.
Water was runner too.
Guys, there's a fish right there. I think it has a nest. You can't see it right now because it's underwater, but there's like a tube right there. And I think that peacock bass has a nest in it.
Right there where I'm aiming at.
Yeah, right there.
Nest is around there, Diego says.
Come on. Come on. Oh, there it is. The peacock bass. Oh, I saw it. I saw it. Guys, it's right over there.
Where is she? Is she a girl?
I don't know.
Probably. She has a nest. Okay, let me show
Hey,
you.
but actually, largemouth bass take care of the nest, so that's more cool fact.
Largemouth bass take care of the nest of peacock bass. Look here, Diego.
Yeah, but I'm closer.
Here is a little drain to the water.
What's that running water?
It's like a little drain from the scoop here.
two?
Yeah, it's 2. Look at it right there. The 2. Let's do a quick trivia here. I have something for you guys. To show that you guys are true subscribers. Oh my god, I got scared so bad of that butterfly. I don't know why. But to show that you guys are true subscribers, what did this plant help Diego with? What did this plant help Diego with? Who knows? So that's trivia for you guys. And what is this used for? Tell me, these little bumps. And we told you guys yesterday, what is this used for? That is trivia question number 2. And those are all the trivias I'm going to give you guys. What do you think of those trivia questions, Diego?
Cool facts.
Cool facts, yeah.
So Nico's fishing now, guys.
That turtle follows us everywhere.
God, turtle, get out of my face, God.
He's so cute though.
Yeah, but he's messing up our fishing. He doesn't let me cast it right there because he eats it.
And to be honest, I should be careful with your line so then that turtle doesn't eat it or any turtle eats it.
So guys, also when it's spawning season, fish, mainly bass, types of bass, and also snakehead, they like to nest near the bank under weed. So if we could get the bait like under all that some muck, it would be really good. There's probably a nest under there. So yeah, more cool facts.
Oh, no way. That actually happened.
What?
I hooked it up on the tree.
Oh yeah, he hooked it up on the tree.
So let's cast it over there.
Alright, so guys, look. Also, when you want to... Here, Nico, grab the camera. This is normally a way you can get the thing out of the tree. You just pull... You just walk back with your rod.
And make sure to have your hand on the line. So then the drag doesn't go. Because look, walk back without the drag. With the drag, Diego.
Well, right now I tightened it. So.
Yeah, he tightened it. But normally the drag would just...
Oh, yeah.
You snapped it.
And that's how you snap a line too, guys.
Be careful, Diego. Don't let it go all the way up. I'm going to go look for it. Let's see where it is.
So hey guys, right now I'm going to show you how to tie one of the simplest but strongest knots, I think. So here it is. You grab your line and your hook. You stick the line through the front of the eye. You do this. You pinch the other line, so like this. You pinch the other line and you twist and twist and twist and twist until the little hole that's right there, I don't know if you can see it, right there, gets small. Not that small. So you put your line through that. You grab it, you do this, then you grab the hook and cinch it down. By now the knot should look like this.
No, wait.
And
Let's get focused here. Let me see.
it should look like this.
Yeah, with a bunch of triple knots down there.
So then you get your pliers and you cut off the tag end. Leave a little, don't cut it all the way, but pretty far down. So yeah, that's that simple knot, but super strong, I think. So guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. No luck again. So again, 25 likes to go kayaking in this canal or my house. Please pick my house. It's better than this.
It's been really bad catching. I've only caught 3 fish here, peacock, and then 2 basses.
So yeah, then 50 likes to go fishing at the Griffin Road Canal, and 100 likes to get the Logitech G29 steering wheel.
Well, we will show you this when we go over.
Yeah, and we'll show it to you right at the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed DN Fishing.